Hey ho, it's Kat and Nat in the kitchen.
Today we're gonna make a tangerine vodka
Pardon?
soda.
I think meant chicken. I was like, what?
And we're going to make the famous chicken mozzarella and tomato.
I like it.
All right, what you're gonna do, this is again a one pan wonder. You're gonna sear right here on the countertop, the chicken. Then you're gonna finish in
If
the
you
oven.
have a pan, put it in a pan.
Put it in your pan. While I'm salt and peppering, Kat, these chicken breasts, could you slice some of these tomatoes just in half? That'd be great, thank you. I'm gonna start
Do you want to
this
try
up.
the hack? Whoa, whoa. Slippery
I don't
little.
want them all sliced. Half sliced.
Sure, Natalie, whatever you need, Natalie.
Okay.
Let's-
Rossies! Is it happening? Why are you laughing? We have an audience, live
It's not
audience
even
today.
Close. I barely cut it, see?
Hold on. One. Two.
You move to the side and slice.
Kids-
I'm gonna heat up my hot
Kids
plate
are
here.
great.
And I'm gonna salt and pepper.
Do I need them
both
like
sides
in
of my
half
chicken.
or like in half?
And
I wanted them.
She's told
Or,
you
don't
right.
don't push.
It's so
You're
funny.
pushing.
I'm looking.
Oh, Max, what am I gonna do with your mother? Pepper, always seasoned.
I'm cutting.
And guys, you want to season both sides of your chicken, okay? Don't forget the
There
other
we
side.
go.
There's a juice
Again,
right
before
now.
you season your chicken, you want to make sure to dry off your chicken so that it gets a nice sear. Okay?
Dry your chicken.
All right, so I've seasoned both sides of my chicken. I am going to add a little bit of garlic. Add olive oil to the pan.
Okay. Whew, I'm exhausted today.
So,
Okay.
we're heating up the olive oil here because we want to sear to lock in the juices from the chicken.
Chicky
The
on.
chicken. She didn't give me a little spoon, but I'm going to add a little bit of garlic in here just to flavor the olive oil. We're just going to warm up this garlic.
What's the next?
Season the garlic. We're going to add in the chicken breasts right here.
Chicken. Those are thick.
You could also slice them thinner if
I
you want it.
would, yeah.
And we're gonna sear the chicken breast right here in the pan. Now guys, make sure you check out all our past recipes whenever you need an idea to make a quick hit for the family or for date night or for you on your own. We have everything that you need. After you've seared this and you've added some more ingredients, you're actually gonna cook it right in the oven in this same pan. Make sure all of this cast iron, it's oven safe. But you want to make sure you don't hold it with your hands because you'll burn your freaking hands off. I've done it multiple
Burn your
times.
freaking hands. Don't go burning your freaking hands.
Don't burn your hands.
Don't burn your hands. Don't go burning freaking hands.
Why are you singing flowers in the cup?
That's what you do. You
No,
sing
yeah,
and
you
cook.
have to have fun. You got to drink in the kitchen. You got to laugh.
You gotta talk in the kitchen. You gotta
cook
dance in the kitchen.
Ow! Oh, sorry, sweetheart. See that nice little browning?
Yep, I see that nice little brownie.
Yeah, say that. Now, I have cooked this recipe for your son before, and
He loves it.
Very nice. I'm just going to get this other side of the chicken open so I can sear in here as well. Don't want to leave anybody out of the browning process.
Brown that baby, brown it. Brown that baby, brown it. Brown that baby, brown it.
Beautiful. I'm just going to open this up so I get the inside of that chicken flat. All right, this is getting beautiful. We're almost on to the next step, Prakrin.
What is it?
What you're going to do now is you're going to add these tomatoes into this pan.
I can do that.
Wow.
Boom!
I'm going to do a little bit of a secret ingredient in here,
What
Catherine.
is it, Natalie?
We're going to add a little bit of capers and caper juice to add a little bit of saltiness. And these little tomatoes are going to just cook up. They're going to burst open and their juices are going to create a sauce. Yeah, there you go. Good. Yep.
Yeah.
And it's fun to get an ingredient like capers because you can use it in a few different.
It's so fun. You know
such a
what?
good
That
time.
is such a fun time.
Now, while this is sauteing, and again, the tomato and the capers and the juices from the chicken are going to make a really nice sauce. We're going to go and put the lid on this.
The
and
lid
we're
on
gonna
it.
Stick it in
Stick it
oven.
in the oven.
And
Radical.
All right, guys, we're going to make a cocktail because every time you eat, you should have a cocktail. 'cause
Every
that's
time
what
you
makes-
eat. Every time you eat. I like that
Even
rule.
if it's cereal for breakfast.
Every
This is going to be called the tangerine
Nice.
lime vodka soda. Okay, so all you need is a little bit of citrus.
You finger it
Oh!
so hard. Look at you.
Okay, beautiful. Whoops. And then we're going to throw some fresh lime juice in.
Fresh lime juice.
Then we're going to add
This would really be quite, you could also use like watermelon
Of course,
juices.
anything you
like,
have.
Because I'm thinking this
No. Mix that with her, mix it. Okay, and then good. A little more. Oh, no, that's all right. And then we're gonna top it with chota.
Chota is between balls and ass. Okay, good.
All right. That's refreshing.
Okay, I mean, okay. Let's be honest.
I love it.
It needs a bit of simple syrup. I
Tart.
would put some pineapple in here.
I like it tart.
You're a tart.
All right, with the oven mitts, I took this beautiful chicken in its juices with the capers and the salty water and the tomatoes have made a little sauce. I have now put the oven on broil and I'm going to add mozzarella cheese right to the top of these chicken breasts. All right, now I'm gonna take it into the oven.
Take it.
Okay, we open the oven for me.
Oh.
Yeah. Pop it in under broil.
So, tell me about yourself. How's it going? How's life? What's new? How are you? No, but how are you? Are you okay? You sure? I know it's hard. You know, it's like people want to make you cry. But how are you? Yeah, I know. You sure you're okay? Oh, come here. It stops. Close it.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
She's still boiling. Just some paste.
Where'd you put the oven mittens?
I'm ready. I don't know where the oven mitts went. Where'd they go? Where'd the oven mitts went? No, come on. Did you put them somewhere? I didn't put them anywhere. Okay. Okay, that looks amazing. Oh, the broiler came through after all.
Look at that
She
cheese.
looks beautiful. Oh my gosh.
We're going to take the tongs. What are the tongs again?
You and the
I
tongs.
use so many tongs.
You love the
I like
tongs.
short
Pass
tongs.
is still going, okay?
Can you check on that? All right, we're gonna take our beautiful chicken.
I've never heard someone call it beautiful before, but you know what? Good for you.
Okay, we're gonna take this caper sauce
Caper sauce
and tomatoes.
and tomatoes. Oh, it's so good.
Oh my gosh, get all of the goodness on
All
here.
of the
All of the juices. Oh, capers are so good, guys. If you don't cook with them.
Okay.
And guys, you can add this on a bed of rice, a bed of spinach, anything you like. All right, let's move this out of the
Okay,
way.
you want me to taste this?
Mm.
I'm
All right,
full.
make sure you get all the tomatoes,
Okay.
the cheese.
I'm gonna give you
the
my knife after.
capers.
Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Hold on. This is my favorite part of eating. My favorite part of cooking is eating, and I don't cook.
Everything, get the capers and the cheese. Was it too hot?
Not for me. I actually like the mozzarella. You know that? Tell me about that.
It's like nice and light, but it's cheesy. It adds a little flavor.
Now, is this one of the best ones you've made, or you've made better?
No, I think this is great.
I think it was my
It would
oven.
be just so great with rice too, because the rice would take the juices of the tomato, and it would just be such a nice meal.
I would never put rice and cheese together, but thank you for enlightening me on that one. Really. And let's just sit here and eat.
All right, if you love this recipe, like we do, it was so easy to make. It was in one pan.
You
Kids
love me
love
like
it.
a love song, baby.
Yes, adults love it. Make sure you subscribe
You
to
could
this
serve
channel.
this at a dinner party.
For sure. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. Give it a thumbs up and share it with everyone. And make sure that you continue to watch these easy recipes for
Share
you.
this with your grandmother.
Uh-huh.
See, Grandma, watch these two girls. They'll make your day. And they cook good food.
Yeah, they
One burp's a bit too much, but you know what? Just ignore that.